Automet Fab is the definitive pipework measurement system. Whether you are performing site surveys for exact replacements or managing workshop fabrication, Automet delivers unparalleled data integrity from start to finish. The process begins with your design. You can instantly render a precise 3D digital model by importing PCF or IDF files, or by manually entering data into your intuitive system. This digital twin serves as the absolute benchmark for your survey. Next, connect Automet to a Leica robotic total station and use our custom devices to capture data points on your spool. The software tracks the measurement points automatically, achieving a precision within 0.3 millimeters. Finally, run the analysis. Automet compares the as-built data against your design in real time, highlighting any deviations and providing a best-fit default report. To isolate regions of interest, Automet can zero flanges and remove data from the overall fit. This gives the user information on what must be fixed and by how much. This process showed that flange 4 was 4 mm out of alignment, not 2.3 mm. Comprehensive 3D quality assurance reports are generated in moments, providing a traceable audit trail that eliminates fit-up issues and costly on-site rework. Automet is also fully capable of surveying vessels and skids. Visit our Wiki and YouTube links in the video description for an in-depth guide or contact us for a live demonstration.